I'm sure because the exam the very very technical or practical exams. And we can say kita no one di me gbabataran na sugar no low na sugar di 20 no na-enwe palpitation. Isha si ni no na-enwe migraine na zishi. Kedu first action ị ga-eme? So this thing with critical thinking, you have to think. And the exam una can you give like 5 options? 5 options are wuru 2. Or wuru 2 got the answer. If you pick one, happy the other one, I might not solve the mark. So before is that their exam, you guys fear na abona mili. No show onwe gidi sure.
Guys, now double tap. Ekubege ezigbo iwe onwere na double tap. Eh?
So, name how the exam questions. Just happier blank. Jawaro onwegi. Oka mma he happier blank than nega pick a wrong answer because I am minus mark in here. So here na do mostly practice questions. Or here na do. So and if you study without practice questions, how much na YouTube like in I using YouTube. I watch in YouTube. Then I'll come on one site in register. Can we came there maybe practice questions? The practice questions they got for an exam hall. And they did the exam. You roll like 85%. The computer shuts or down. The computer will shut down. Shut down now. You get just ready. Go as a gun. Camera may pass. You can went at least 85 questions correct. You got pass up to 85 questions. Then after that, you will now wait 2 days later, the result will come out. I was a congratulations, you passed or congratulations, you did not pass. So me passing here, you don't have to retake it again. They are required the exam again. So all can be processed. But the process for onye no Nigeria, okay, ego at least onye at the work for my travel to Kenya or anywhere, onye at the work like at least 2 million.
2 million.
Yes.
So exam.
No, I was also Makayawa. Both for your Igabi na Gadi, Imagone ego nine Ige mefuche, Iga no na hotel, Ebi Iga no the exam. Iga one flight now, Iota. So all those things just for in Nigeria, they were there 2 million. For expenses, all Iga na Emekwami in a register for the exam. So that's how it works.
Wow.
But note, I will have for auxiliary nurses. I will come for nurse Eliza. Can you have people them like DM? Okay, I'm doing practical in Michael Okpara gene all ogwe. That's same. I will come for auxiliary nurses. Or for nurses with BSN. So that is how it works.
Wow, amazing. After the exam, all passes here.
It passes here. I gonna forget Kano now. It passes in one house, even because it passes here, only one portal and Adikebene, then you find the passing. Agencies or that nursing hospitals are very rich with it out to you. Or go was your sorrow.
Ebanwe no kwa kaye edebeziligi.
Agana edebeziligi sige. I won't in Nigeria then a man you get just go we may apply. Okay, see no kake like anyway, I'm like 5 agencies in there where Hana Kunite Kogo, Haga Ofetegi with the green card from Nigeria or anywhere, to the US. But it will be on contract. For most of them with 3 years contracts. And worldwide head staff, and inter staff, and med pro, and US passports. You can have how US passport, and a lot of them. Okay. But the best among them can for worldwide health staff because those ones have a direct hire. Because agencies are Ana go like $38 per hour. Normally, maybe not Hana Kogi for example. And then we lose maybe $8, signal 30 can okay. But all direct hire, he get wanted that $38 guy without and some direct hires na give bonus. You can give up to $5,000 bonus. Na up to $5,000. And then kaga ibia before send ego. Your flight ticket, I will need to go to they will sponsor everything for you.
Onye Jelike eji agụ ọ dịka iwe ka meje gu na onwekwu iwe na wata dị.
Isi ga ka ga-efu ukweni akwa na.
Onye ke eji dị mma njegu ya because iyi na-ekwu na enwe ndị ya egeche ntị naanị ejego ya ka eji.
There's no limit to education. I believe anybody can go to school.
Yes.
If you're US, but if you're friendly karanka naga school, people go to school. Ndị mmadụ na-aga school. If you ga honye, if na ahụ go m one woman meet, she's a student nurse and she's 50. Ọ na-achị go nursing. So, enwe age limit, so just ihe nursing need waka just gbashi ike ịrụ ọrụ. Because him and nursing ọrụ dị ya. So
ọkwa na ọrụ dị ya.
Ọrụ dị ya ha. Ọrụ dị na nursing well now. Ị chọrọ ibugharị mmadụ ma onye dị na isi aka ịkwago n'eti ya. All these things are doing easy now. At some point it will start telling on you.
Mana onwe ihe ọzọ nche eju. Thank you so much. I like him kishi. Onye chizie na ọwọtala ive ọkọwa. Ịma na ị na-edi ka ije back to secondary school. So enwe ndị nursing aid dị iche na nurse ọkwa ya.
Nurse aid that's CNA, yes, ha dị iche na nurse. Yes.
Ka ebe mee na some ndị nursing aid bi oje yili ive eji etest obi mmadụ o weli post o picture see photo send ya. No, ndị
nurse aid they check for your BP. Nurse aid will certified nurse assistant. Ha na-enye aka n'ụlọ ọgwụ.
Mana why ma ji ewulu ka ihe a na-akpọzi datin iwe na-enwe
stethoscope. Yes now.
Nursing aid okweshi ndị the thing say photo ti na Facebook na ilu akwụkwọ.
Yes, the nursing aid is a nurse as well. Even that na-arụkọ ọrụ karịa. Ha na-ekpo nshi ebe a gụnwa ga-agba ọsọ sef.
Nna nshi ka ha na-ekpo lapụ okwu.
Nshi ka ha na-ekpo. They do a lot of things.
Mana agbado nwaanyị ma achị nwaanyị nọ dọkịta ka awụ.
Mba nke a za ashizi ka onye a na-ashizi onye amazi aza ashi ka onye ashizi na.
Ụmụ nwaanyị na-ege ntị some people kwa nshi ka ha na-ekpo nursing aid ọwụkwa dọkịta onwe one guy ka m kọzieri onwe one guy ji iwe nwa wee nata Nigeria nursing aid o sa one girl ishi yeah body bear thank you so much sa one girl ishi o mgbe dị ka mgbe o megokwa ego the girl o ya the girl eju onye ọchị na ọ na-anụ dọkịta mgbe eji chọpụtazi ọnwụ na the boy wonder okpuche nshi ọmara na nshi eteche gị na o mebezie video call a na-abalị abashi look at the na everything cast so mana ọ na-adị mma onye ịmara ibe ị na-alụ be proud of ibe ị na-alụ.
Yeah, sure.
Why people dey fake life? Why people I like fake life?
Onwe n'isi now, onwe n'isi. But nursing aid, how kwa nurses? Just that na.
Support ndị nursing aid.
No, please.
I love nursing aid. Achọrọ m onye na-eme nke ọsị na ọ na-eme I like ya. Because iwuru nursing aid no here be proud of your work. What are we saying? This is even put here. Onye ọbụla the proud ibe ị na-eme ama emepost ebe nọ na kitchen na-alụ ọrụ ama awụlọ m mmadụ. Achọrọ m fake life. Onye ọbụla na-ebi fake life fụọ na page. Fake life ejigo fake life lie a lot of people na-ashịle a lot of people ashị ma nwoke ma nwaanyị nọ n'ime I like fake life. Ị na-ebi fake life shi ebe fụọ n'iwe wene before iwe.
No, you are there.
Okay.
No, but this money not said how nurses and they really do a great job.
Okay.
In fact, I'm telling you, if I thought I said, "Hey, she celebrate her more." All I did is you, ha.
I call on the nursing
money in our ho in
a
Yeah, Hannah Saro, they wash, they Hannah Saro patients are in the morning. Yes. Then Hannah can feed the patients. Always some patients now that if you do.
Keziwe disease na nursing aid na caregiver.
I feel like they're the same.
Different name, but the same thing.
Yes, I feel like my body was the same. I won't quite hear I feel like they're the same. Just that him and a nurse assistants are having one certificate too. Okay. They have certificates. Yes, and I got career school. And I went
to school.
Yes, and I got school. Yes. And I got school. Most nursing aid, and I got school, and then I went certificate. Without that certificate, I get a and they make a good money. They make hell out of good money here. And then where go?
And then where go?
Ha! They get money. Oh. I mean, they look down on them, but no, they have money.
Okay. Nne, thank you. So, nne, ke state ke ebe nọ na USA?
I'm on Ohio.
Ohio.
Yes.
But thank you so much. I like him nkuzi. Okwu ị na-follow anyị na page a.
Why not? Of course, now why not?
Ị na-like it?
Onye na-aghọtazi ihe m kwuru. Enwere m ebook ebe m dere just $10 ebe m dere everything about her from beginning to the end.
You nwere ebook?
Yes, enwere m ebook, yes.
Ebe ebook gị dị?
On our digital platforms. On all these online digital platforms, yeah.
Okwu ịma na nna ede akwụkwọ?
I won't come ambition money. Won't come my dear.
Enwere m akwụkwọ a ma ede akwụkwọ na ahụ. Achọbụ ntị akwụkwọ m na Amazon. Ama achọbụ ntị akwụkwọ m dị a. A na-agwa m na mma anọ somebody like the contact nji. Ọ na-agwa m na any dim company account. Something like this.
Yes.
So kedu ya manage nwu m akwụkwọ m enwe m different books ndego.
Maybe me na Amazon because they went them company account like they said. So anyway, no, you can work company account before you be able to put your stuff there and be able to sell. But anyway, you can make or digital in area now online platforms. Anyway, a lot of online platforms you get in. Maybe I can drop them in your inbox.
You could drop all of me, but all the now hard copy. How do I convert the hard copy now?
But it type in here and type, right?
Yes.
Now he type there. On ya will not ebook and go piano.
Now.
Yes, you can review on. Oh yeah, digital marketing now. People go. People make a lot of money. Now it just it's online. No there now.
Munu now is level. Hey. Enwe almost akwụkwọ 7. Mana edegom 2. Yeah, edegom 2. Edegom vanine mana publish gom 2.
Okay.
Yes, 2 are go na hard copy. So any dim na also ni yenji na Nigeria, also ni yenja na Nigeria. Because any dim can finish the rest. Yes. Amale ndị onwekwe ndị Netflix yakwa dey involved because akwụkwọ the intellectual capacity they all too much.
Yeah.
Ordinary human being cannot comprehend. With a pen now, so with a pen now. Ordinary person cannot comprehend. Yo, Oyibo is in a kaka. So edegom akwo, edegom almost 2, edegom 7 now. But more. Most of my things, stories in a peak. I may pick out of my what I go, but I'm very, very clever not to give everything out.
Yeah, that's right.
Movie now watch my you have to go. Most
yeah, I can copy some of the things in it.
I'm go there. But you go do art, Yanya. Violate the way. Yes. I'm go do my story. It will script writer, skit writer. When enemy here, you just made my story. Yeah, I'm we can talk to Oyala original. The subject, the players not there. The characters, every question place here. The story. Every who can corner then at the story. You cannot copy my thing.
Yeah.
So I want you. I video. I'm not a bisha who go celebrity. You will know. Hey, thank you so much. We are happy to have you.
No problem, sir.
God bless you. MHA daily me there can learn. No knowledge is a waste. I'm liking with every knowledge. Be connected.
100%. It's a word answer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.